Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I'm going to show you how to make zucchini bread. Oh yeah, zucchini bread is a member of the quick bread family and it's super easy to make, easy ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. Before I move on, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my new videos. Let's get baking. Down below in the description box, you'll find the list of the ingredients and their amounts. I have 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour or plain flour. I want to add 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and you could reduce that to 1 teaspoon if you wanted, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Come in here with a whisk, and let's whisk this all together. And you could use a sifter as well. Great. And now in a large bowl, we'll add in our egg. And you'll notice I'm just going to be using a whisk for this process. A lot of times I'll use a hand mixer, but some people don't actually have a hand mixer. So I just want to show you that you can make this with just good old-fashioned hand power. All right, so to that egg, we will add 1/2 cup of oil, just vegetable oil, canola oil, olive oil, coconut oil, 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of white granulated sugar. Give that a mix. You can burn a few calories doing it by hand instead of using a hand mixer. And then let's add in 1/3 cup of sour cream. If you watch a lot of my episodes with quick breads, you know that I like to add sour cream. Gives it a slight little zing, but also helps with the moistness and keeping the batter nice and moist. And the bread, once it's baked, nice and moist. And that is 1/3 cup of sour cream. All right, once that is done, we will add in the flour, just about half of this at a time. And I am using a wire whisk because it is more sturdy than my silicone whisk. But again, you can just use a hand mixer or stand mixer. I do that normally, but I just wanted to show you that you can make it with a whisk or like a wooden spoon. One nice thing about using the whisk is it makes it harder to overmix the batter. Scrape the sides. All right, excellent. And now we want to fold in our nuts. I'm using 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, but you can also use walnuts if you want. And then the star of the dish, the zucchini. And this is 1 cup of grated zucchini. About 1 medium zucchini makes a little bit over a cup of grated zucchini. And you'll notice I didn't peel it first. I don't mind having the peel, but if you don't want that dark green peel showing, then you can peel the zucchini first. And we'll just fold this all together. And if you were using a hand mixer or a stand mixer, you want to do this part by hand, okay? So don't use the mixer with the zucchini and the nuts. All right. Doesn't that look amazing? Fantastic. All right. I have this 4x8 bread pan, and you'll notice that I greased it with shortening, and then I put in about a tablespoon of flour and then just tapped it all around the sides of the pan. Now this is going to make it so the bread does not stick to it. You can spray it with kitchen spray and do the same thing with the flour, or just spray it with kitchen spray and not do the flour. I like to err on the side of caution because I don't like it when my cakes and breads stick to the pan. All right, let's just pour this in here. Make sure we scrape all of it out. And we'll bake it in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 162 Celsius. And we'll bake it for 55 to 65 minutes until when you poke it with a toothpick, it comes out clean. And when it comes out of the oven, we'll just let it sit for 10 minutes or so in the pan so where it can cool a little bit. And then we'll come in here with a cake spatula, just go around the edges a little bit just to make sure that it's loose. Great. And then we'll just flip it over onto a wire rack so it can cool the rest of the way. Came right out of there, really nice. Look at that, pretty awesome, right? And you'll look in the pan and there's nothing stuck to the bottom of the pan or anything. Really cool. And you can smell it, you can smell that zucchini. Oh, smells so good. And after it cools, just come on in and cut into it. Yeah, look at that. You can see the green from the zucchini and the nuts. Oh yeah. Nice and moist. So incredible. And that is how you make homemade, amazing zucchini bread. Really easy to do, simple ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.